BMW wants me to change my brakes. As you can see, the light came on. No. And as you can see, it's not possible, so I am literally forced to either take it in or change the brakes. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take the tire off. Alright, so real easy, your brakes, basically your tires off. This is the most easiest thing that you can do. Alright, so pop this off. Real easy. This is what you do. You take this whole system off. Real easy. Okay, take this and that bolt off. You want to charge me almost $1,500 to do my brakes, and they're the easiest thing to do ever. Right, as you can see, it's not easy to get to them, but you can do it. And in the beginning, use a crowbar like this, something like this, hook it up and pull down either from the bottom or kind of from the top. But basically take this screw off and the one right below it, right there. As you can see, the brakes are kind of shaking now. Now it's starting to get easier. All right. There we go. There's one. There we go. See this? And check these brakes out. They're still pretty good. Look at that. Okay, so if you have a newer BMW, as you can see, it's got a little sensor here, so just all you got to do is unclip it. See it? Take your old one, pop it back in like so. Take your C-clamp. There we go. We are in. Let's take our C-clamp off. There you go. You take your new brakes, you pop them back in, like so. So, as you can see, it's real easy to pop it back in. Then you take this guy and put this guy back in. So I'm doing this one-handed, and I hope you're getting this. I got the brakes in. Now I gotta put the bolts back in. I can't do it with one hand, but it's real easy. Don't forget to plug in your electric sensor if you have one. So as you can see, I got them back up. One of the screws is in. Now I gotta put this one in. Okay, here we go. Okay, so as you can see, we got our sensor in. We got the screw 1 and 2 in. Here's one, and there's two. Okay, so once it's in, all you gotta do is lefty loosey, righty tighty. Don't forget to pop this pin back in. Real easy to do. Okay. Okay. You're ready to go. Put the tire back on and you're good.
Yeah.